What is going on, yo? I'm with my main boy Russ, Danger, just fitted a nice Zoom exhaust on his grom, so it can be a noisy bastard like me. Up late last night I was playing a bit of Fortnite. Got back into a little bit of dubstep again, so I'm back once again with the Sub Soldiers. I'm sort of metaler though, but I'm just at this point I'm going back to being a dirty dubstepper. Ah, zoom! Look at that! That's what we did today. We put the exhaust on it. Much better than the standard. It's a bit noisy. I don't know what's noisier, mine or his. They're about the same, I think. Look at it. So just going out for a little bit of a ride. Ripping it up we are. Ah! Why are you stopping? That was a bit noise. That was a little bit.
Completely different ride.
Yeah?
Completely.
I think it'll be a short video today, but it's still a video nonetheless, you know. Us pissing around. Pissing around in a good way though, not like antisocial behavioural riding way. That's the beauty of these bikes, yeah. I mean, well, it took probably a little bit longer because we were nattering and having a can of Monster, as you do. But I would not be comfortable in doing with another sort of bike. But this, undo 3 bolts and off the exhaust comes. Put the exhaust back on and do the same 3 bolts up. How difficult is that? It's not. It's not. And he's right, it changes the characteristics of this bike. But mechanically, engine mechanically, I would not. And I'm a bloody noob at doing mechanical stuff. We should have recorded it, but we forgot. No instructions or anything, just boom boom, 3 parts. Then you get a nice sounding grom. I was just saying to myself, oh dear, I hope that's not what I think it is, a little bit of dribble. It'd be so good if you could kind of like somehow be able to take that off and put the original silencer on, but without all the shit comes with it.
Yeah, you can. That guy I met the other day with the original one, they got the underseat pipe. He took about that much out of the pipe. It made a big difference. They had the sound, but standing quiet. Have a little drive in that big gate then. know what I mean? Even if we drive in, drive out, fucking few.
Have a quick ticket.
Yeah.
Oh no, Mr. Security Man.
Yeah, no, we literally just one plate of the
Okay. Okay.
You can't that side, don't
Alright. Oh man.
Fantastic.
Alright, oh, cheers.
all the way from Austria, he's like, I've never seen anything like them. Oh my god. From love.
Entering Chernobyl.
Fantastic.
I love these bikes so much. Another grommer. Look at that fat tyre. I do know something though, the mirrors get kind of in my way.
I've got used to them though, and they don't, I know where they are now.
This seat though is quite nice actually.
Yeah, I've got used to it. It's not as loud as you think.